can enter any description you want to enter to the transaction, and comment also you can enter. From date, you can select that transaction date. Okay, and if you want to allocate this transaction to particular analysis code, from here by clicking this analysis code, you can select that analysis code. And if you select decrease from this effect, it will display these outstanding invoices, and if you increase, it will not display outstanding invoices, and you can process the transaction. Okay, and there's another option. Now assume you want to do more than one transaction or more than one supplier adjustment. In that case, you can use this quick entry grid. Then if you want, you can enter by manually, or you can import that supplier adjustment from CSV file. Okay, from here you can select that date, transaction date, then effect, supplier, reference, description, tax amount and amount, by affecting account. Like this, you can enter more than one adjustment if you use supplier adjustment from this quick entry grid. And you can process this supplier adjustments. And if you want to import from a CSV file, you can click this import. And first, you can, if you want, you can download an example. You can fill this Excel sheet according to your requirement or your supplier adjustment. You can enter date, supplier, and reference number, description, tax code, exclusive amount, tax amount, inclusive amount, and from here you can select that affecting account. If analysis code is available, you can enter that analysis code, and you can import this Excel sheet to the system. Okay, I think you couldn't see that Excel sheet. I'll share it again. Now from here, this downloaded Excel sheet, from here you can enter that transaction date, supplier, and reference numbers of that journal entries or any other entry, and you can enter description, tax type, exclusive amount, tax amount, total, and affecting account, comments, and if analysis code available, you can enter that analysis code. And you can import that file to the system. Okay, I'll repeat it again, that supply adjustment. Now, if you want to change your supplier balances, you can enter supply adjustments. You can enter supply adjustment from supplier transactions, supply adjustments. There are two options. First one, add supply adjustment. Second one, quick integrate. If you are doing only one supply adjustment, you can use add supply adjustment. From here, you can select the supplier, and you can select increase or decrease from this effect. If you want to increase your supplier balances, you can select increase, or if you want to decrease supply balance, you can select decrease, and you can select tax type. You can select by affecting account, other entry of this transaction, and you can enter reference number, amount, description, and comment, and from here you can select that transaction date. Okay. If you select decrease, if that supplier has outstanding invoices, you can select that outstanding invoice and you can process this transaction. And if you want to enter more than one transaction, you can use this quick integrate. From here, you can add adjustment lines. And if you want to import transactions, you can use this import, and you can import by selecting a file. Okay, and after that, you can process this customer or supplier adjustments.